Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Madunggan ko ninyo class.
Yes, sir.
Okay po. Thank you. Kindly comment your complete name and indicate your section please. Ingnan ninyo mga classmates nga manulod na because we are going to discuss about this concept. The PMI is not really easy for us to comprehend this concept. So kindly join this meeting please. Everyone, pakiingon na sa inyong mga classmates please nga mag-join na. I hope everybody is willing to listen this concept. Again, the principle of mathematical induction is not really easy for us to understand. The presentation which I have submitted earlier, katong last December, ako siyang giutro class. Ako siyang giutro in the sense that nagbuhat ko kaugalingon nako nga solution for you to be able to understand more regarding about the PMI. Because the solution or the proof nga katong akong gipasa sa inyo is not really kuan siya, not really easy to understand. So, akong gibuhat is nag-create ko another nga solution for you to be able to know and know and know and comprehend it. 40 pa ta ka buok. Wala na may klase. Next aning meeting. Okay, very good. Ako na gina siyang girekordaan kay para katong wala naka-join karon nga meeting, pwede ra sila mo visit dayon sa atong record nga discussion. Do not forget to prepare paper and pencil please, or paper and ball pen rather, para masundan ninyo ang flow sa atong solusyon. So time check. It's 2:03 in the afternoon. So at 2:05, we will begin our discussion. So kindly tell your classmates to please join the meeting. For those who came late, kindly comment your complete name and indicate your section for me to be able to recognize you. Okay, 1 minute left. We will begin our discussion. We are all 66 individuals in this meeting. So I hope nga na inyong mga classmates uban. Sayang kayo dili mo maka-join ani nga meeting. PMI is really difficult to understand. So we have 3 more topics to go para mahuman na nato atong kuan pre-calc nga discussion. So the PMI is actually basically this is 4 to the last topic and we have 3 more to go. So okay, time check, it's 2:05. Okay, good afternoon everyone. So I hope you feel better this afternoon. So we will begin our discussion class. Paminaw mo og tarong ha? Okay. So this afternoon we will be talking about lesson 7, which is the concept of the principle of mathematical induction, or also known as the PMI class. Okay. Next slide. Naklaro niyo yung slide, class?
Dili kayo, sir.
Very sure.
Wait. Ako na lang padakoon. Kana, naklaro ninyo?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mm-mm.
na, sir.
Okay, ako na lang magbasa tanan. Paminaw lang gid mo karon lang gid nga meeting class. Kato atong gipangkuan talking about lesson 1 until 6. Very simple lang to siya. Until such time the PMI kay niabot ang PMI kani lisod-lisod ni siya nga part actually. Okay, so let's begin. So the principle of mathematical induction. Let P of n, that is P of n, be a property or statement about an integer n. Take note on that. And there is basically an integer. So if we will be talking about integer class, that is actually composed of negative numbers, yun 0, yun positive numbers. Okay. So suppose that the following conditions can be proven. So number 1, we have 2 conditions in order for us to determine that the PMI is said to be true. So again, we have 2 conditions. Our first condition is the P of n sub 0 is true. That is, the statement is true when n is just equal to n sub 0. Okay, ako na nang ikuan, class. I-elaborate. Second condition states that if P sub k is true for some integer k greater than or equal to n sub 0, then P of k plus 1 is true. That is, if the statement is true for n equals k, then it is also true for n is just equal to k plus 1. Therefore, if the 2 conditions really hold, automatically, isa lang, na may ni, singit, wait. Kadugay. Ako sa X class. Kami ni singit. Okay. If the 2, okay, again, if the 2 conditions really hold then we can say that the PMI is said to be true. Okay. So the principle of mathematical induction is often compared to climbing an infinite staircase, class. Take note. First, you need to be able to climb up to the first step. Second, if you are on any step, say what if n is just equal to k, you must be able to climb up to the next step, n, which is equal to k plus 1. If you can do these things, If you can do these two things, then you will be able to climb up the infinite staircase class. Okay, in layman's term, how can we able to comprehend the two conditions class under the PMI? Okay, basically class, the first condition states that we all know that in a PMI class, automatically we can determine the series class. Okay, what kabalo kung if that is arithmetic or geometric, as long as the terms are all series. Take note on that. Condition number one states that in layman's term nga dapat ang first term is true. Say what if natay arithmetic series nga 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus n is just equal to something. Ingon ana ha, pag-state again. Again, the first condition states that for every first element class of the series class, automatically, if you will be able to substitute any arbitrary element, if you will be talking about arbitrary, bisag kinsa dinaa nga atong gina-point because that is arbitrary, since n there is arbitrary, meaning to say, we can pull it positive integer, negative integer, and zero. Okay. Ang ingon sa first condition, basta atong magkuha tag isa ka arbitrary element from n, kung ato siyang i-substitute for that considering the series class, if the condition is if the left side of the equation is equal to the right side of the equation, then most probably condition 1 holds. So morning ko an class, ang logic ani class na daw hagdanan. Morning hagdanan. And the hagdanan is infinite. Take note that the hagdanan is infinite class. So in order for us to be able to determine that condition 1 is true, we will have to substitute what is n there. And n there is arbitrary element. Okay. So, ang kaning bata na lang nato. So for instance, this is a bata. So ang kaning bata, condition 1 holds because iyang gisubstitutan ang n is just equal to 1. So atong what if our series is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus n is just equal to something. Wa kabalo kung kinsa na si something ha. We all know that our first element is 1. Kung atong ma-prove na class ang n nato is 1, that the left side of the equation is just equal to the right side of the equation, automatically condition 1 holds under PMI. Mo nang giingon sa condition 1 in layman's term. How about condition number 2 class? Unsa giingon sa condition number 2? Okay. From condition number 1, we all know that our first element is 1. Di ba? Naingon naman ito, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus n is just equal to something. So our first element is 1. Kabalo na ta. Okay. Considering that our first element is 1, from our statement, from our given example class, what is our last element? Can you give me the last element class? Unsa tong last element? If our Okay, can you comment your answer? Wait ha, Oops. Hello, good morning. Good afternoon. Okay, again. So, our given example is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus until n. We all know that 1 there is our first element. So, unsa man ang atong last element class? Our last element is hello. Nganong we can determine man ngan kuan man ta 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus n. So, what is our last element? Naman tay n. N. Okay. Very good. That's N. N mismo class. Our last element is N. Mo na tong last element class. Okay, tanawa ha. Kay mo nag-ingon sa condition number 2. Okay. So our first element kanang bata kita man ning bata nga n equals 1. N equals 1 daw ang bata. May God na may sige. Salamat. Okay. So our first element is n equals 1. 1 ang atong kuanak because our given example is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot until n. Until n. So meaning to say our first element is 1. Okay. Our last element is n. Kaning n dini kaning n class. Kaning n siya. This is our last element. Okay. And we all know that our last element, what if our last element is 10, ha? Considering, ha, assuming that our last element is 10. So, unsa man ang sunod ni 10 class? Unsa man ang sunod ni 10? We have, from the given example, we have 11. Okay. Okay, 11. Unya, assuming nga nag-ingon naman ta nga our last element niya. Sir, ikaw ba nag-ingon sir nga our last element is 10? Assuming nga si 10 ang atong last element. Okay, kabalo ko nga si 10 atong last element. Pero kabalo man ta atong i-prove gani nga si 10 is our last element. Kaya ang sunod ni 10 si 11. Gamiton nato si 11 to prove that the statement is true nga si 10 mao gid na ang last element. Kaya kinsa may sunod ni 10 si 11 man. Bisag pud mo gamit ni 12. Nakuha ninyo that states condition number 2. Okay, mo nagingon sa condition number 2. Kabalo man ta nga si n is our last element, assuming that assuming that 10 is our last element class. So atong okay, maghatag dayon ta og kuan kanang solusyon nga i-prove nato nga si 10 gyud actually is our last element. Mogamit ta ni 11 because ang sunod ni 10 si 11 man. Pero basically ang atong last element si 10. Ingon ana siya ang condition number 2 na if p of k is true for some integer k is greater than or equal to n sub 0, then p of k plus 1 o kana si p of k is 10. Nagbuhat-buhat ra ta hangat si 10 ang atong p of k, ha, pero wala gid ta kahibalo kung kinsa gid na, pero kabalo ta nga si n mismo ang last element. Nagbuhat-buhat lang ta, arbitrary element man ta. Kumbaga si n galista nato og k. Bantong naka-ingon ta nga si 10 ang last element. Tanawa, if p of k is true, kung tinuod nga si p of 10 kay siya ang pinaka last element, unya testingan dayon nato si p of k plus 1 is also true. Meaning to say, si p of 10 plus 1, which is si 11, is tinuod. Pag tinuod gani, class, kung ato ganing mapakita nga si p of 11 is the next term for the 10th term, automatically we can state that the p condition number 2 holds. Ingon ana siya. So let's proceed. Morning staircase na si n daw is just equal to k. So atong gi-assume nga si k is just equal to 10. Kani ha, pero kabalo ta nga si n ang wala na ang concern. Si n ato na siyang gialistan og k kay para makakita tag arbitrary element nga si 10. But not basically this is not 10. Mag-assume na ta nga 10. Unya, since kabalo man ta nga si n mao nang pinaka-last nga, mao na siya ang pinaka-last, so ato ang gamitan og k plus 1 which is 11 nga step kay para makaingon gyud ta nga si 10 mao to siya ang last kay kinsa man day sunod ni 10 si 11 man. Ingon ana. Naipangutana before tang proceed sa example. Nasabtan ninyo class, pangutana sa mo ug na pa mo wala nasabtan be. Hello. Naipangutana. Nangutana gyud ha. Ug unsa man gani? Okay, mo proceed ta. Dito ta sa kuan, example. Okay, another analogy sa ta before proceeding to our first example. So another analogy of the principle of mathematical induction that is used to toppling an infinite line of standing dominoes. So this is the standing dominoes class. Kakita na maging ani? Kakita na maging ani class? Okay, very good. Kung nakakita na mo ani. So you need to give the first domino a push so that it falls down. Mo ginoo. Also, the dominoes must be arranged so that if the kth, tanaw, take note on that, the kth domino falls down, the next domino will also fall down. Okay. These two conditions will ensure that the entire line of dominoes will fall down. Okay. This is actually one of the analogies in considering that PMI is said to be proven. Okay, condition 1. Unsa gingon sa condition 1 gani class? Nga unsa gingon sa condition 1? It should be that P of 1 is true. Okay, this is our first element. Kani mo ning pinakauna first domino. Okay. Ato ning unsa man ni nato, ato siyang patumbahon. Tanawa there pila ka buok dominoes class. There is n dominoes. Wala ta kabalo kung pila ka buok number sa dominoes. Basta ang giingon diri n dominoes. Pero by the power of kth, by the power of this one, kth domino, we will assume that the number of the domino is said to be determined. Ana siya class. So ang condition number 1 giingon nga kaning giingon kani first domino kung ato siyang i-push mahagba ba siya. So since nahagba si first domino, ang sunod ni first domino nahagba na pud si second. Unya kani this is n mao maning n nato nga domino. Kabalo man ta nga n, okay, wala ta kabalo nga pila si n, pero kabalo ta nga ang last term kay si n. So basically we will use the kth domino, assuming that this is our k is 100, kani 100 ni siya, 100 domino class, assuming ha kinsa may next ni 100 class, kinsay next ni 100. So we have 101. Okay. So we will show, we will show that 101 is said to be true. Kay atong ipakita nga si 101 gyud ang atong ipakita ba nga si 101 gyud ang next ni 100. Kung ato siyang mapakita nga si 101 kay mauna siya ang sunod ni 100, automatically we can determine that the total number of n is said to be 100, assuming dang na ha. Okay, so let's proceed. At least na may idea regarding about PMI. So let's proceed to example para mas klaro gid nato. Okay. We now consider some examples on the use of mathematical induction in proving summation identities. Okay. Example number 2.3.1. Using mathematical induction, prove that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... plus n is just equal to n times the quantity of n plus 1 over 2 for all positive integers n. Okay, kani dili ta mo touch ani nga solution or proof kay very blurry kayo yung kuan, yung mga statements. So nag-prepare ko for you para masabtan ninyo class. Okay na. Mora man eh. Okay, nakita ninyo, naklaro ang slide, wala. Naklaro, wala. Okay, so since klaro man siya, okay. Ato ning klarohon po, unsa ni pagpasabot sa inyo ha. Okay, mao na siya. Prove that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... plus n, n is just equal to n times the quantity of n plus 1 over 2, assuming that this is equal to star. Our original equation is actually this is our original equation, and our original equation is equal to star para di na pasigbalik-balik og sulat. Okay, unsa gingon dito for all n, unsa gingon gani sa kuan gani? Kani tanawa ha? No? For all positive integers n. So meaning to say, positive integers n asa man ta magsugod, positive integers man. So we will use our n, our first element to 1. Very good. Sugod ta sa atong first element because that is basically our first step. Okay, step 1. Step 1. Assume that P of 1 is true. Okay. Nganong P of 1 man? Because this is actually our first element. P of 1. Okay. for all positive integers n man. So dito mo gamit og negative because it is stated that for all positive integers n. So we will use the p of 1. So assume that p of 1, i-assume pa nato ha. I-assume nato, meaning to say wala pa ta kabalo nga p of 1 kay tinuod. Assuming pa na siya, class. Assume that p of 1 is true. That is kani tanawa n times the quantity of n plus 1 over 2. So substitute the value of 1. So 1 times 1 plus 1 over 2. So this is basically 1 times 2. This is 1 plus 1 is just equal to 2. So 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Then over 2, 2 divided by 2, which is 1. Tanawa ang first element kung 1 ba. 1 ba ni? 1 ni dili. 1 ni dili. Okay, 1. Very good. So therefore, since kani kay 1 man ni siya, niya tong first element, kay mo ba itong giingon nato sa condition number 1, it should be that the first element is true. Yes, okay. Therefore, P of 1 is true. Mo nang giingon. Okay, tinuod siya. For step number 2, ay be, P of 1 na ha, tanawon ko na to, ato pong i-try kung P of 2 is true pag yun. Okay, assume that P of 2, dapat, kinsa man natong P of 2, dapat ang mugawas ang second element ha, kani, dapat ang mugawas kay, kinsa man si P of 2, class? Dapat ang mugawas 2? No, kinsa man ani, kani 1 plus 2, dapat 3 ang mulugwa. Dapat ang mulugwa kay 3, kay duha naman ka numbers, pero 2 elements man kay katong domino gani nga pag ana mo atong domino, pag ato i-push si domino, class, i-add to siya ang first element ug second element. Okay, tanawa kay second element nito, so 1 plus 2 dapat ang mulugwa 3 sa atong tanawon kung 3 bagyod. 3 bagyod ha. So atong alisan si 3, 2 din niya. To P of 2 lang ta P of 2. P of 2. 2 means the second term. I-add ng first and 2 terms. So 2 plus 1. Pila man sa 2 plus 1, class? That is, 2 plus 1 is 3. Unya, kay n ato kay 2 man pod, 3 times 2, pila man sa 3 times 2? Okay, 6 divide by 2, pila man sa 6 divide by 2? Okay, 3 na si 3, okay. Dapat 3 ang answer diri. O pila man na, 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, so tinuod siya for P of 2. Pero sa PMI nato only P of 1, first element. Ang i-consider nato sa PMI the first element and the last element. Okay, so let's put baskin mag P of 3 pa kadina bilasa mo P of 3 bito kung tinuod bagid nga P of 3. So P of 3 nato dapat pila answer sa P of 3 dapat ang mo answer is P of 3. Pila man? 6. Okay, tanawa na to be kung 6 bagay ang answer be. Okay. 3 plus 1. Pila si 3 plus 1, class? Okay, 4. 4 times 2. Pila si 4 times 2? That is 8. Okay, 8 divided by 2, class. 8 divided by 2? 4. Okay. Ay, 4 times 3. Sorry. Okay, tama. This is 3 plus 1, that is 4. 4 times 3, class, 12. Divide by 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. Okay, 6 po na, di ba? Na 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, very good. Pero, pero ang atong PMI states that condition number 1, kadtong P of 1 only. O ang condition number 2, the P of n. Okay, so let's proceed to step number 2. Assume that i-assume pa nato ha, i-assume gid nato tanan kay wala pa man ta nakaingon nga tinuod siya. Certain mo declare nga tinuod kung ato siya ma-prove. Assume that n is just equal to k. I-assume nato ha, assume that n is just equal to k. That is tanan mga n dinaa atong alisdan og k. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot plus k is just equal to k times k plus 1 over 2. Okay, may pangutana ana. Okay, wala. Proceed ta. Okay ha, tanawa ha. Kabalo man ta nga okay. Di ba nakaingon ko kaganiya nga si n kay basically that is n is our last term. Si N magidang last term ito na wala gid ka klaro ng N kay last term nato si N. Unya alisan lang nato nato para makaingon para ang K is the arbitrary element. O mo tong niingon ko kaganiha nga si K, what if our K is equal to 10, then K plus 1, 11. Okay, mo na ha. So meaning to say si N ug si K, si N mo nang makadetermine ta kaning N diri amo ni makadetermine nga N is our last element. Pero wala pa ta kabalo nga mao gid na siya. Ano, kabalo lagi ta nga siya ang last element pero wa ta kabalo kung unsa na siya nga number. So by the power of K, atong i-determine nga si K is the last element considering kung atong ma-prove og K plus 1, automatically si K plus ang sulod ni K, si K plus 1 man. So therefore, si K mo itong last element. Okay, so kani hinayon ni nato. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus that plus K is equal to K times K plus 1 over 2. Okay, mo ni. So we want to show that N is just equal to K plus 1 is also true. Dapat tinuod ni ha. So alis na po nato siya og K plus 1 class. Gikan sa K, kaning K, alis na nato og K plus 1. Kay meaning to si atong i-prove nga si K lagi ang pinaka-last nga. Si K lagi ang atong arbitrary last element. So atong gamitan og K plus 1 para mo kaingon jud ta nga si K gyud ang pinaka-last kay ang sunod man ni K si K plus 1 man gyud. Dili man gyud si K minus 1. So atong ipakita. So now, okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot. Kaning K, tanawang K o. Na K, na kanang K. Plus, kinsa may sunod ni K? Plus K plus 1. Di ba? Nakanito. Kaya K ba ya? Oo, si K plus 1 man ang sunod ni K. Ang sunod ni K, si K plus 1. Is just equal to kaning mga K dinhi kaning K dinhi ato ning alisdan og K plus 1 tanan. Okay. Kaning K dinhi alisan og K plus 1. Nya kaning K plus 1 dinhi K plus 1 plus K plus 1 plus 1 pila man? K plus 1 plus 1 pila man? Na kaning K plus 1 plus 1 pila man? K plus 2. Una na si K plus 2 Justin. Okay, mao na si K plus 2. Over 2. Over 2. Unya, okay. Okay na ni. Okay na ning equation nga K plus 1 na ta. Kaning diri ang left side of the equation class, atong ipakita nga equivalent siya ani. Kay gialisan naman nato siya K plus 1. Di ba? Ato man siyang galisan og K plus 1. So, ato ipakita nga kaning left side of the equation is equal to the right side of the equation. Okay. Proceed ta. Kita mo, ani class, na 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot plus K, kinsa man ni siya? Na mga kataas, atong gi-assume, kinsa ni siya? Kanino? Di ba kanino ni? Okay. Kita mo? O, katong sa right. Okay. Okay, equivalent. Very good, Jazz. Kani siya, equivalent siya ani. So atong gialisdan na K times K plus 1 over 2 plus na yung nagpabilin nga K plus 1 na kita mo K plus 1 kana ako na nang gi-copy unya ato ning i-manipulate class i-manipulate ni nako siya kay para ma-equal siya ani kay mao man gid atong i-consider nga si K plus 1 equal siya ani so pag manipulate unsa man na kanang get the LCD. So 2. LCD is 2. So same. 2 divided by 2, 1. So 1 times K plus 1 kana lang. K times K plus 1. Plus kani, wala man tayo denominator. 1 man ang denominator ani. So 2 divided by 1, that is 2. So 2 times K plus 1, 2 times K plus 1. Okay. Tanawa. Nara ni. Atong i-equal ha. Sunod, ang factor nila class. May common factor wala. Kasi common factor. Ang common factor nila. We have tanawa, ang common factor nila K plus 1. Very good. K plus 1 Klaro kayo nga si K plus 1 na. Si K times K plus 1 plus 2 times K plus 1. So ang common factor niya is K plus 1. So ato siyang gi-factor out. K plus 1. Kunya K plus 1 kana ang magbabili na lang K na lang natanawa kay ato magikuha sa gibas mag-factor out man na so K na lang dili sa Picas food plus 2 na lang na plus 2 Kay ako na magi-factor out si k plus 1. So therefore, this is k plus 1 times k plus 2 over 2. Okay, tanawang itsura, the same. Equal. Nakuha? Nakuha ninyo? The same. Tanawa. Oh, yes, sir. So therefore, therefore, makaingon dayon ta nga si Kuan, nga si N, nakaingon din ta nga si N, that would be our last element. Kaya ato man gi-prove nga ang sunod daw ni K, di ba ato N o K, kay arbitrary element man siya. Kaya atong gi-prove dayon nga ang sunod daw ni K si K plus 1. Kaya ato man siyang napakita, automatically si N gid ang atong pinaka last element. So therefore, star, kasi si star original equation is true for all positive integers n. So, ina naman papakita. Okay, condition 1 and condition 2, hold. Naipangutana ani nga problem. Actually, lisod-lisod diya gid ni. Kaya mo-proceed sa example number 2 para mas makuha pag yun. Okay, proceed tag number 2 ha. Proceed tag number 2. Okay, kindly read the slide. Okay, kindly read the slide, James.
The example 2.3.3, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Example 2.3.3, using mathematical induction, prove that 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus ... plus n squared equals to n parenthesis n plus 1 and parenthesis 2n plus 1 over 6.
Again, do not read as parentheses because if you will be turning into college, no, it's
okay,
quantity n times the quantity.
Okay, sir.
Okay, for all positive integers n. Dili na kalimtan si for all positive integers n, no? Ang batayo, gini ninyo kalimtan si for all positive integers n because if we will forget this one class, automatically we can state that condition number 1 is not basically P of 1, but P of negative, P of 0. Dapat nagin na si for all positive integers and depende sa agreement sa problem class. Example number 2, ang agreement din for all positive integers and unsa matong condition 1? Kinsa tong first element? Si kinsa man? Since that is for all positive integers 1. Okay. No 1 only, Justin. Not 1 squared. And our first term is 1 squared. But our first element is 1. Nakuha, Just? Okay. Again, our first term is 1 squared. But our first element, kay element man ta, kana mga element for all positive integers n, is 1. Mao na, no? Okay. So, dili ta ani mo gamit ani nga solution class. I have made for you para ma-easy ang atong kalibutan. Okay, kani mo man ni. So ako na lang mag-run through, no. Ato pag makita pagid asa dapit na to n times the quantity of n plus 1 times the quantity of 2n plus 1 over 6. And we will denote this equation as star. Our original equation is equal to star. Para di na ta magbalik-balik og sulat ani o kana. So step number 1, i-assume gina nato permi ha. Assume that P of 1 is true. I-assume pa gina nato nga tinuod siya. Since nganong P of 1 atong gigamit class? Kay tungod kay because of the word kaya ito for all positive integer. Okay, positive integer n. So meaning to say the first element is 1. Okay, bantog P of 1. Okay, assume that P of 1 is true. That is, so n times n plus 1 times the quantity of 2n plus 1 over 6. So atong substitute the value of n, which is 1. So this is 1 times 1 plus 1 times the quantity of 2 times 1 plus 1. This is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Times 1, 2 gihapon. Enara, 1 times 2. Kani, 2 times 1, that is 2. Plus 1, 3. So 1 times 2 times 3, that is 6. Over 6, so that is equal to 1. Okay. But our first term, what is our first term? Dapat ang atong first term, ang kaning answer ani, maparehas na to siya og sulat sa first term. First term is 1 squared. Diba? 1 squared na. Klaro kaayo, 1 squared. Dapat ang kaning diri na to, ato ipakita nga ang atong first term is basically equivalent sa pinakauna sa P of 1 nato nga element. Again ha, makuha tayo P of 1. The P of 1 is the element for all the positive integers n. So, ang atong atong concern is we will be able to prove that the first term is also equal to the first element. Since our first element is 1 and our first term is 1 squared, tinuod siya. Therefore, P of 1 is true. Hindi na to. Okay. Sa P of 2, tinuod po na siya. So, ato lang ipakita nga ang pinakauna nga element o ang last element tinuod. Bato makaingon ta nga PMI is true. Okay. So, proceed to step number 2. Assume that n is just equal to k. Mamagin ang pinakauna na to, ha? Assume that n is equal to k is true. Dapat tinuod ni. I-assume that is tanan n alisan nato k. 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus dot plus k squared plus kanang mga n din na alisan og k times the quantity of k plus 1 times the quantity of 2k plus 1 over 6. Na ipangutana ani wala. Wala man tingalin ni no. Galisan naman na. Okay. Proceed ta sa k plus 1. So we want to show that n is just equal to k plus 1 is true. Dapat ito ipakita nga tinuod siya. Now, kasi sunod ni k squared. Kana, kung sunod ni k squared, si k plus 1 squared. Di ba? Sakto? Dili. Okay, sige. Ato ta. 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus dot plus k squared. Kinsay sunod ni k squared? Si k plus 1 squared. Di ba? Nakuha ni? Unya, tanan mga k din na atong kani-kani. Kanang right side of the equation, atong alistan og k plus 1. Tanan mga k ni ano? Okay, para sa ning k. So, that is k plus 1. Kaning k diri kay k plus 1 man niya plus 1 pila man na k kaning k na to alisan to k plus 1 plus 1 k plus 2. Okay mo ni si k plus 2. Okay mo ni si k plus 2. Kaning 2 karang 2 din na 2 times k plus 1 plus 1 over 6. Okay, ato pa nang ikuan, i-simplify pa na to kay katungod ani ho. So k plus 1 times the quantity of k plus 2 kani plus tanawa 2 times k, that is 2k. Di ba? 2 times k, that is 2k. Plus 2 times 1, 2 plus 3 ay plus 1 pila man 2k plus 3. Di ba? Nakuha ninyo? 2k nga nung 2k plus 3 ni. Ipa-stop si sir kung wala nakuha ha. Ina sir, wako kasabot. Ipa-stop lang si sir. Kaya kung makapusid si sir na, naipangutan na ng 2k plus 3. Okay, wala ka kasabot clear. Okay, atong balikon ha. Anong 2k plus 3 ni. 2 times k. Pila man si 2 times k. Algebra raman ni. Okay, 2k. 2k nga nadaan. Unya, plus i-substitute, plus distribute ang 2 plus 1. 2 times 1. Pila si 2 times 1? Si 2 times 1, pila man? 2. Plus 1, pila pa magit si plus 1? 2 plus 1, pila man? 2 plus 1 pagit 3. Okay. So, bantog 2k plus 3. No, nakuha ninyo? 2k plus 3. Sige, proceed. Okay. Kaning kuan class o akong gibutangan og kanang ano tanawa kani meaning nag-end ang meaning ani class ang atong proposition kaning box box with something I put shade kanang milit-milit nga shade we will call this one as milit-milit na shade meaning to say that ends the proposition kani kaato man ipakita nga kaning left side of the equation is equivalent to the right side of the equation dili ni siya sumpay ha dili ni siya sumpay but we will have to show that this left side of the equation is equal to this one the end proposition okay so kani ato tani kinsa man ni tanawa kinsa na siya kana akong ganahan kinsa man ni katong sa right very good kani okay very good mo na siya so k times k plus 1 times 2k plus 1 over 6 plus napatay isa ka k plus 1 squared kita ka ni Justin di ba ato pa ning isalat kaya naman ako man i-prove nga kaning left side of the equation is equivalent aning end proposition. Okay, very good. Since ato nang nabutang ni since ang atong LCD wala man siya di ba numerator only. Okay, atong ikuan. LCD is 6. So atong katihon nila to unya plus 6 divided by 1 that is 6 times k plus 1 squared kana 6 times 1 6 times the quantity of k plus 1 squared. Okay, kani. Ato dayon i-manipulate. Okay, tanawa. Kaya ang atong concern ani ha dapat kani left side of the equation dapat equivalent siya aning end proposition na okay maning kamot ha. Okay, tanawa. Pila ni ka terms class kanina sa numerator? Pila ka terms? Duha. Okay, very good. Maklaro kayo pinakauna nga term kani composed of 3 ka ng mga shall we say third degree man kay k times k to the cube man and that is 3 no the highest exponent is somewhat what we call as the degree. Okay, kani so we have two terms na and it is separated by what operation? Two terms separated by what operation? Addition. Very good. Addition. Wala tingali terms nga mag-separate og equal sign. Dili na siya kuan addition. Okay, tanawa. Naay factor niya, naay parehas siya og term wala. Na ano? Kinsa man? Na siya parehas og term wala. Kani. Si k plus 1. Okay. So, atong gi-factor out si k plus 1. Okay. Bantog atong gi-factor out si k plus 1. Okay. Ang nagpabilin sa first term class, kani si 2k plus 1 og si k. I-multiply ko na si 2k plus 1 og si k. Di ba makakuha tag 2k squared plus k? May pangutangan na ani. Kaato ning gikuha si k plus 1, gi-factor out na nato si k plus 1. Okay nya kanang nagpabili na lang si k og si 2k k times 2k squared, di ba? Nya plus k plus 1 plus k. Nakuha? Plus kaning pila ka k plus 1 ang nadire sa second term? Pila ka k plus 1 ang nasa second term? Pila ka buok k plus 1? Duha. Okay, duha ka k plus 1 na k plus 1 squared man. So atong gikuha si k plus 1 kay gi-factor out nato ang natabilin pila na lang 6 times k plus 1 na lang, isa na lang siya. Kay gi-factor out nato. Okay, tanawa ang mga parentheses o bato ako siyang bracket. Gibakita nako ana over 6. Over 6 siya. Unya, ato ni siyang i-combine. I-combine niya to class. This is basically 6 times k class. Pila man si 6 times k? Pila si 6 times k? 6k. I-distribute na niya. 6 plus 1. 6 times 1. Pila man si 6 times 1? 6. Okay. Ato di combine tanan ng nasa sulod. So we have 2k squared plus namatay isa ka k plus nag-ingon mo kaganag isa ka 6k. Pila man si k plus 6k. Wait, Miko. Nag-classif ako, no? Oo. Oo, yun na ko i-arrange, no? Liquid state number 1. Okay, 7k. Very good. This is 7k. Nana si 7k. Plus 1. Naman tayo nagpabilin nga 1. Nakuha niyo ninyo? Wala. So, kanino na? So, it becomes 2k squared plus 7k plus 1 over 6. But 2k squared plus 7k plus 1 is factorable. Tanawa, factorable man na siya. Tanawa, nahimo na to siya gingon ani. Kakuan mo, is this factorable class? Factorable. Tanawa, kay kung ato ni siya i-distribute, it will give you 2k squared plus 7k plus 1. Kani si k plus 2 times 2k plus 3, i-multiply ra na siya class. Ang makuha lagi nato kay kaning 2k squared plus 7k plus 1. Nakuha ninyo wala? Nakuha ninyo wala? Hello, good afternoon. Kuha. Okay, very good. Okay, tanawa nga itong end proposition class. Tanawa itong end proposition. Equivalent siya, dili. Kaning end-to-end proposition, equal siya, dili. Equal siya, dili. Equal. So, mo na siya ang giingon. Mo matungkuan, mo na itong concern nga equal siya. So therefore, kaning star din niya, original equation, is true for all positive integers n. Mama na itong concern. Okay. Nakuha ninyo wala? Kaya pa? Okay pa? Hello, good afternoon. Kaya pa? Kaya mag-proceed ta? Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, can you read the slide? Okay, can you read the slide? Kisa may volunteer to read the slide. Okay, go, KD.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, of course. Very audible.
Using the mathematical induction, prove that 1.3 plus 2.4
1 times 3. 1 times 3.
1 times 3 plus 2 times 4 plus 3 times 5 plus ... plus n times the quantity of n plus 2 is equals to n times the quantity of n plus 1 times the quantity of 2n plus 7 all over 6.
Okay, for all positive integer n na. Naku na, wala tingin ako na butangan. For all positive integers n na. Okay, class. This is 1 times 3. Times ni ha. This is times. This is not point. Kaya ang point nasa ubos. Kapag nasa sa tunga, okay, mo na yung timan. Pag nasa sa tunga, times na siya. Kapag magawas na dito sa exam sa inyong sa college or sa entrance exam, times na siya. Actually, kaning PMI is very gamit kaayo mo at tumuog masking yung kurso is agriculture na PMI. Mao ni pinakalisod nga topic pero atong panikamutan nga masayon-sayon gamay man lang at least nakatabang ko. Muna na. So di ta na mo gamit o dili ta mo gamit ani this one. Okay, maklaro ra? Klaro pa? Okay, so let's proceed. So prove that 1 times 3 plus 2 times 4 plus 3.3 tanawa 3 times 5 plus ... plus n times the quantity of n plus 2 is equal to n times the quantity of n plus 1 times the quantity of 2n plus 7 is just over 6, and this serves as our original equation. So we will assume that we will denote this as star. Step number 1. So step number 1 state na assume that P of 1 is true. Nanong 1 na itong element, first element? Because because this is for all positive integers n. So P of 1 is true, first element. That is, so n times n plus 1 times the quantity of 2n plus 7 over 6 is just equal to 1 na ito, mga n, alisan na itong mga 1. So 1 plus 1 is just equal to 2. times 1, 2 na siya. Okay. Yeah. 2, alisan na to. 2 times 1, 2 man ano. Plus 7, 9. So, mo na siya. So, this is 1 times 2 times 9 is just 18 over 6. So, 18 divided by 6, pila man? 18 divided by 6, we have 3. Okay. So, this is 3. Unya, atong iparas og itsura sa first term, this is equivalent to 1 times 3. End proposition for step number 1. So, 1 times 3. Kana. So, step number 2. Therefore, P of 1 is true. Step number 2, class. Assume that n is just equal to k is true. That is, tanan n, alisan na to k. Okay, 1 times 3 plus 2 times 4 plus 3 times 5 plus plus k times k plus 2 is just equal to k times k plus 1 times the quantity of 2k plus 7 over 6. Kana. So we want to show that n is just equal to k plus 1 is also true. Now, kasi sunod ani ni kuan kani, sunod ana niya is kana 1 times 3 plus 2 times 4 plus 3 times 5 plus plus kana k times k plus 2. Alisan na to. Ang sunod ana niya kana. Anong tanan k alisan og k plus 1. So k plus 1 times k plus 2, k plus 1 plus k plus 1 kani kang k man k plus 1 man ta diri. So k plus 1 plus 2 pila man? K plus 1 plus 2, we have k plus 3. Okay, mo nang k plus 3. K plus 3. Unya, kani atong alisan po, kani tanan, alisan na po k plus 1. So, kanang k na to, alisan na po k plus 1. Kana, k plus 1, kani yung tanawang k, kaya alisan na po k plus 1, k plus 1 plus 1, k plus 2. Diba? Yung kaning k din niya, alisan na to 2 times k plus 1 plus 7. Ato i-simplify na to. So, k plus 1 times k plus 2, tanawa, k plus 1 times k plus 2 times 2 times k class. Pila man si 2 times k? We have 2k. Very good. How about 2 times 1? Pila man si 2 times 1 class? 2. Nya plus 7 man siya. Nya plus 7, pila man? 9. Okay. Plus 9 na niya. Okay. K plus 1 times the quantity of k plus 2 times 2k plus 9 over 6. End of the proposition. Kaniyo? Okay. Kaya na-simplify naman. Ang atong buhaton lagi, kay ang kaning left side of the equation should be equal to the right side of the equation. Kaya na, we will manipulate the left side of the equation, class, kani. Kani, kinsa man ni siya? Kinsa man ni? Kani, nasa right side. Kani, diba tinuod ni mo ni? Okay. So, k, this is equivalent to k times k plus 1 times 2k plus 7 over 6. Copy na rin ka ng nagpabilin. So, times k plus 1 times k plus 3. Okay. Kani, ato siyang get the LCD which is 6. So, it will become k times k plus 1 times 2k plus 7 plus, 6 times k plus 1 times k plus 3. Okay, pila ka buok terms? Pila ka buok terms? How many terms? Duha gihapon. Okay, nabay common factor? Wala. Nabay common factor? Wala. Naa, kinsa may common factor nila? Si k plus 1. Very good. Okay, k plus 1. Tanawa mo? Dilita mo una sa first term. Sa first term, kita tulo ka basta in the term, this first term has third degree. Okay. So, natay k plus 1, not groups. Groups. One group. Is it group?
Group by
Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, John Cambalon. Yeah, this is group. This is actually basically two terms, and one term has three groups. The first group is K because it is grouped. It is group, di ba? Very good. Jan, akong gihan ako ng ganong group. O it is group kay namatay group na katong 4 ka terms atong gi-group. O very good. This is group actually. I can vouch that this is group. Okay, so we have 2 terms and one group. Oh no, one term has the first term has 3 groups. So, natay common nga factors which is the k plus 1. So, ang natabilin sa first term, kaya na lang duha ka group. K times 2k plus 7. Kaning sa second term, ang napabilin na lang, kaning duha na lang gyapon, si 6 ug si k plus 3. Naipangutana ani wala. Wala no, kay mo simple naman ni. Unya ato din i-combine nato na sa sulod. Okay. What is 2k times k? What is 2k times k? K times 2k, pila man? We have 2k squared. Okay, very good. This is 2k squared. Naraot, 2k squared niya. What is 7 times k, class? What is k? Oh, this is 7k. Very good. Nasa 7k. What is plus 6 times k? That is 6k plus 6 times 3, 18. Di ba? Unya, kaning 2k squared na 7k plus 6k plus 18, it will become, kaya combine man ni si 7k. What is 7k plus 6k, class? What is 7k plus 6k? 13k, very good. Kanama na ni, mo na ni si 13k plus 18. But 2k squared plus 13k plus 18 is factorable. The factors are the following. Kana si k plus 2 times 2k plus 9 over 6. Are they equal, class? Kaning end preposition. Our first end preposition is equal to the last and second end preposition. Are they equal? Yes or no? Okay, very good. So therefore, the star, star, the original equation, is true for all positive integers n. Nasabtan, wala. Napatay mga more examples. Okay, so let's proceed to another example. Kani kay murag anad ko ana po ni lahi na po nga same concept under the principle of mathematical induction, but kuan kanang different methods to prove. So 3 is a factor of 4 to the n plus 2. So here is the proof, but we will not use this proof kay very broad. Basta the kuan, the problem is 3 is a factor of 4 to the n plus 2. Kani. Okay, number 4. Number 4 example. So prove that 3 is a factor of 4 to the n plus 2. And we will denote that 4n plus 2 as a star. So proof. Here's the proof. So step number 1. And n there is actually positive integers. So assume that p of 1, first element is 1. P of 1 is true. That is, atong alisdan, si 4 to the n og 1. Substitute the value of n, which is 1, 4 to the n plus 2. So, 4 to the 1, pila man si 4 to the 1, class? 4. Plus 2. Pila man si 4 plus 2? Si 6. Pero, kay kuan man, 3 is a factor man daw. So, we will use as 3, 6, we will use the multiples of 3 times 2 because 3 times 2 is a factor of 3, di ba? 6 has a multiples of 3 and 2. So pwede na klaro kayo nga 3 times 2 is a factor of 3. Pwede ra pud nga 6 is a factor of 3. Pwede ra na. Kani kay klaro kayo nga dili gid siya kagawas kay 3 times 2 gina siya. Under P of 1. Kung P of 2 kuno, class, kung P of 2 kuno nato be, kinsa man si 4 to the 2, class? Kinsa si 4 to the 2? 16. Plus 2. Pila man si 16 plus 2? 18. Is 18 a factor of 3? Yes, okay. So meaning to say, basin og ka ng ang pinakalas element ani, factor gyapon ito atong kanawon. Basta nakaingon na ta nga condition number 1 holds. Okay, for step number 2, so assume that n is equal to k is true. Ulang man, dapat na panay is true dito, dapat na assume that n is equal to k is true. Na panay is true dito ha. That is 4 to the k plus 2 is just equal to 3a. Anong 3a man diri Okay, kasi makagive og kuan justice regarding about 3 equals 3a. Why is it that this is 3a? Because nga naman. Okay, Justin. Kindly turn on your microphone, please.
Sir. It is because it is a factor man, sir. Meaning na siya ay other factor para mabuo tong value, sir. Like, for example, kay 3 man. So, na siya ay kuan, sir. Siya man ang na siya ay counterpart pud nga factor ba para mabuo tong isa ka kuan, sir. Product.
And that factor is an integer.
Oh, yes, sir. Integer. Positive integer.
Mm-mm. Positive, oo. Not necessarily positive integer. Basta, ang kanang n lang nato din this is positive integer n. This is positive. Pero kanang a din for some integer a, that basically positive. Pwede po siya man-negative as long as that is a factor of 3. Okay. Okay, Rajas? Kaya ba hindi ang kuha to kay negative 6 ato makuha din negative 6. But negative 6 is a factor of 3 because it can be written as 3 times negative 2. Di ba? Okay. Bubanda akong gibutan nila for some integer a. Not necessarily for some positive integer a. Okay. Mo ang difference between a and n. N diri atong first element is a positive. Perhaps a there is not positive nor negative. Not dili po siya 0. Pwede po siya 0 actually, class. Basta integer a man. Kay 0, is 0 a factor of 3, class? Si 0, factor ba siya? Hello, good afternoon. Si 0, class? Yes or no? Is 0? No? Yung ano na may question mark, Kathleen. Okay, is 0? No? Anong no man, class? 0 can be written as 3 times 0. What is 0 times 3? Oh no, 3 times 0. 0, gani. So therefore, 0 is unsa man. Pwede siya factor. Di ba? Nakuha ninyo? Si 0 pwede ma-factor kay because 0 can also be written as 3 times 0. Bantog akong gibutang din for some integer a. What if di ay ang atong a kay 0? 3 times 0, pila man di ay 0 ba ya? Basically, if that is 0, so therefore, 0 is also a factor of 3. 0 is also a factor of any number. Ingon ana. So let's proceed. Okay. So we want to show that n is just equal to k plus 1 is true. Dapat tinuod ni no? Kay we will play man nga ang sunod lagi ni kuan k is k plus 1. Now, okay, kani tanawa class, tanawa si 4 kana alisa na tuog ang k tanan, alisa na tuog k plus 1. So 4 to the power of k plus 1 plus 2. May pangutana ani wala. May pangutana. Dapat kaning k plus 1 tanawa ha. Nag-assume ta nga si 4 to the k plus 2 factor siya, which is masulat siya 3a. Dapat maingon pud ta nga si 4 to the k plus 1 masulat pud siya 3a or 3 something. 3 something. Di na to 3a, 3b na lang or bisag unsa na lang. Basta positive, basta for some integer. So, sa ato pa, this is 4 to the k plus 1 plus 2. Kaning si sa power rule gani class, what is class, what is x squared times x to the x cube? What is x squared plus x cube? What is x squared plus x cube? Pila man? Oh no, x squared times x cube. Pila man? X to the 5th. Very good. So meaning to say gipang giunsa man ang giunsa man ang exponent, giunsa man gi-add. Very good. Okay, kani pud ato po ning buwagon. Buwagon po din nato kay para ato maning kamot man tang makaingon ta nga si 4 to the k plus 1 plus 2 is also a factor of 3. So kani siya pwede nato mabulag as 4 to the 1. This is 4 to the 1 times 4 to the k. Kay basically, kung ato na siyang i-multiply, that is 4 to the k plus 1 kana. Mao na siya. Okay. Naipangutana, ano niya, plus 2 dayon, kay tungod ani. Naipangutana, proceed ta. Wala pa mix, layo pa mix, ako takang tabangan lagi, no? Oo niya na. Okay, proceed. So, nganong okay, class, tanawa ha, pag ang question gani din na to class, prove that 3 is a factor, so meaning, pag mga divisible by 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 5, so kay 4 man din na, atong gamitan ni siya og 3 plus 1. Kay ang ato man ang concern man sa problem kay kuan man factor of 3, so paningkamot biya gid ta nga makuan siya ma factors of 3 mix kadiyot lang mi kubi no tabangan lagi ta ka unya na kanagklase pa ko. So this is 3 plus 1 because 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. May pangutana ani kung is a factor of 6 ang inyong buhaton kas 6 plus something ay dili man pud ni 4. What if 7 dahil niya divisible by 6, so 6 plus 1. Timanin na ha, timanin gini ninyo class. Kung divisibility gani divisible by 4, divisible by 5, no wala man divisible by 4, divisible by 2 kay 4 is divisible by 2 man na. Pag divisible by 5, dito gid ko mo og 5 plus something. Ayaw gina ninyo, oo, ayaw gina ikuan, ayaw gi-separate si 4 kana. So, si 4 ato siyang gi-group into duha. O nahimo siyang 3 plus 1. Na nahimo na ning kuan, 2 terms. And times 4 to the k. 4 to the k na ha, plus 2. Unya class, unsa man ni nato? I-multiply na siya class. I-multiply ni nato we have how many terms? I-distribute ni siya. How many times we have 2 no? O distribute nato 3 times 4 to the k, that is 3 times 4 to the k. Dili na siya makuhan, di na siya mahilabtan kay they are different in literal coefficient and so with the exponent. So 3 times 4 to the k, that is 3 times 4 to the k. How about 1 times 4 to the k plus 4 to the k only? Plus 2. Plus 2. Nakuha ni wala. Nakuha ni wala. Hello. Kuha sir. Okay, very good. Proceed ta. How many terms? Pila ni ka terms class? Pila ka terms? Okay, duha. Duha raman ni. I know. Tulo ni ka terms di ay. Oo. Tulo ka terms. Tulo ni ka terms to. Tulo. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. Very good. Katong duha. Tulo ni tulo. Pero kinsa man ni si 4k 4 to the k plus 2 class? Kinsa ni si 4 to the k plus 2? Kinsa man ni? Si 3a na. Si 3a na siya. Oo na. Kaya naning kamot man ta nga ipa 3a na to. Oh, that is basically 3a. Okay, 3a. Kunya i-copy na lang din nato si 3 times 4 to the k. Okay, kani pila na ni ka terms? Pila ka terms class? Pila ka terms? Duha na lang. Naay kuan niya, naay common factor wala. Naay common factor wala. Naakin sa man ang common factor. Si 3. Okay, si 3. So ato siyang kuan. So atong i-separate si 3. So kung i-distribute na to, this is 4 to the k na lang ni. Kay kaniman 4 to the k na lang plus a. Okay. Factor ni siya? Factor ni siya ni 3. Yes or no? Factor ni 3, yes or no? This is a factor. Nganong man factor man siya because man tungod kay na-factor out man si kinsa man si 3. Very good, Kathleen. Okay, so 3 times the quantity of 4 to the k plus a is a factor of 3. So therefore, star is true for all positive integers n. May pangutana wala? May pangutana? Oo, proceed ta. Okay, proceed. Okay. Can you read the slide, Kathleen? The question only. Okay, so we will kuan ka ng tap another person kambalon. Can you read the slide?
Use mathematical induction to prove that For every non-negative integer, n, n cubed minus n plus 3 is divisible by 3.
Okay, very good. Okay, that is use mathematical induction to prove that for every non-negative integer n cubed minus n plus 3 is divisible by 3. What does it mean about non-negative? Si pasibot anong non-negative? Tanawa mo, for every non-negative integer n. What does it mean about non-negative? Positive tanan. So, asa ta magsugod? Ha? Wait. Dili positive. Dili na positive. What is it about non-negative? Positive and non-negative, including zero. Very good. Because if we will be talking about integer class, di ba integer is composed of negative integers, positive integers, yun zero. So tulugid di nakabuok ang integer. Pag may tagda negative, meaning zero o si positive integer. Okay. Nakuha wala. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, akong balikon. Prove that for a non-negative integer n cubed minus n plus 3 is divisible by 3. And we will denote this original equation as star. Okay, step 1. What is our first element? Class? 1. Why man 1? Are you sure that is 1? Our first element is 1. Why 0? Okay, very good. Why 0? Why? That's correct. It's 0. Why 0? 0 very good. 0 is non-negative. Muna pinakauna. Kansa man di maguna si 1, si 0. Kisa di maguna. First na negative. 0 man gid. 0 is not positive nor negative. So considering that would be our first element. Ayo kalimtin na kay na negative yan gipangayo. Ang concern nga sa problem kay na negative. So therefore assume that P of 0 is true. Nay pangutana ani wala. Anong P of 0? Okay, so let's proceed. For all positive integers, so P of 1 gid ka. Unya kani kay na negative man gingon dira. So that is n cubed minus n plus 3 is just equal to 0 to the 3 minus 0 plus 3. What is 0 to the 3 class? 0 to the 0. 0 minus 0. What is 0 minus 0? 0 na po niya. Plus 3. Pila man? Plus 3. That is the 3. Okay. And 3, di ba 3? And 3, and it can also be written as 3 times 1. So therefore, this is divisible by 3. We can state that a number is said to be divisible by something if we can write that one as kanang divisibility times something integer. So that amount ang gibutang is 3 times 1. Banto nakaingon tag 3 times 1 is divisible by 3. Therefore, P of 0 is true. Nakuha ninyo wala? Nakuha na? Okay, so let's proceed to step number 2. Assume that n is equal to k is true. That is, tanan n, alisin na to k. So k to the cube minus k plus 3 is just equal to 3a for some integer a. Naipangutana ani wala. Wala. Okay, so let's proceed. So we want to show that n is just equal to k plus 1 is true. O, tanan mga k dinalisan na to k plus 1. Okay, now, kaning k plus 1 dira, that is basically k plus 1 to the 3 minus k plus 1 plus 3. Okay, what is k plus 1 cube? What is k plus 1 cube? That is k plus 1 times k plus 1 times k plus 1. Di ba mao man na? Mao ni no, kani. Mao man ni siya. Mao ni siya class. Di ba? Okay. So that is k cubed plus 3k squared plus 3k plus 1. Unya nga nung minus k kana i-distribute ni what is minus times k? Negative 1 times k. That is, what is negative 1 times k? That is negative k. Okay, nara si negative k. What is negative k? What is negative times positive 1? What is negative 1 times positive 1? That is negative 1. Okay, very good. Naras is negative 1. Unya, ato dayon gi copy si 3 plus 3 only. Unya class, ato na siyang i-simplify. I-simplify na to class o tanawa. K cube plus 3k squared plus 3k minus k. Minus k tanawa na minus k man na. Yeah, plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 3. 1 minus 1, pila man na. Kana kong gi-circlean. 1 minus 1. That is 0. Very good. Kung ato ko ni combine class, kung ato ni combine, no, kani si k cube, kana si k cube, si minus k, kita ka ni minus k, na si minus k, si plus 3 na, pinakauna nga element, o ang pinaka second to the last and last element, last term, balik. Pinakauna nga term, sa second to the last nga term, o si last term, atong i-combine, nakuha ninyo wala, na k cube minus k plus 3 nakuha wala kuha kinsay nagpabilin kanina lang no kaning duha ka buko na plus 3k squared plus 3k nakuha ninyo wala nakuha pa ninyo kuha pa okay kinsa man ni si k cube minus k plus 3 kinsa ni si 3a okay na si 3a na oh klaro kaayo una 3a na siya. Okay, copy na lang dayon si plus 3k squared plus 3k. How many terms do we have? Tulo. Okay. Nabatay common factor nilang tulo? Wala. Natay common factor? Wala. Na kinsa man tong common factor? Si 3, very good. So, atong kuhanon si 3 times a plus k squared plus k. Is it divisible by 3? Yes or no? Is it divisible by 3? Yes or no? Divisible because it is written as 3 times something. Therefore, star is true for all non-negative integer n. Naipangutana? Naipangutana class? Okay. Last example ta. Okay, who will read the last example class? At least na inyo nasabtan no man gani ka akong picture-picturean lang actually kaning slide nga akong nahatag is very lisod sabton. Okay, who will read the slide? Kindly raise your hand. Everyone who will volunteer to read the slide. Hello. Good afternoon. Para mahuman na dayon ta. This is our final last example. Who will volunteer to read the slide? Okay, kinsa man ni ang nag-volunteer? Another hand again. I will not call John Cambalon. I will not call KB. I will not call Kathleen. I will not call Justin. I will not call Aliyah. I will not call Claire. Another hand. Kapoy na mo. Gikapoy na po ko. Sige na, paningkamot lang mo. Okay, who will volunteer? Clint also. I will not call Clint. Another hand to read the slide only. Okay, another hand. Okay, Jancel, very good. Okay, can you read the slide, Jancel?
Use mathematical induction to prove each divisibility statement for all non-negative integers n. Number 1, 7 to the power of 2n minus 3 times 5 to the power of n plus 2 is divisible by 12.
Okay, very good. Okay, take note on that, ha? Take note of that. Use the mathematical induction or the PMI to prove each divisibility statement for all non-negative. So what would be our first element? Since that is non-negative, 0. Very good. 0 class. And our equation is, our statement is 7 to the 2n minus 3 times 5n. 5 to the n plus 2 is divisible by 12. Okay, so let's proceed. Kenny. Okay, number 6. For a non-negative integer n, 7 to the 2n minus 3 times 5 to the n plus 2 is divisible by 12. And we will denote this statement as star. Mm-mm. So step number 1, assume that p of 0 is true. That 0 because this is our first element, 0. Because this is a non-negative integer. That is 7 to the 2n minus 3 times 5 to the n plus 2 is this equal to 7 to the 2 times 0. What is 7? What is 2 times 0, class? That is 0. What is 7 to the 0? What is 7 to the 0? 7 to the 0 is 1. Very good. Any number raised to 0 is 1. Mas 1 million pa na. Oh yeah, no class. Mali itong statement. Any number raised to 0, that is basically 1, but not 0 to the 0. Because 0 to the 0 is undefined. And we can solve that one under L'Hopital's rule. Mas yun sa tanan nato ikuan, mas yun maggamitan pa nato siya og calculator. 0 to the 0 is not basically 0, not basically 1, but it is undefined. But all numbers, that yes, very good. That is indeterminate. If that is indeterminate, Justin, we can solve that one under L'Hopital's rule. Mo to kung ingon kaganiha, L'Hopital's rule. Very good. Okay. So, minus 3 times 5 to the 0, since 5 raised to 0, that is 1. Kana. So, 1 minus 3 plus 2. So, what is 1 minus 3? That is negative 2. Yeah, plus 2 is equal to 0. Is 0 divisible by 12, class? Is 0 divisible by 12? Yes or no? Is 0 divisible by 12? Okay, very good. That is a yes answer because 0 can be written as 12 times 0. Very good. Because 0 can be written as 12 times 0. Tanan 0 divisible gina siya always. 12 times 0 is just equal to 12 times 0 is divisible by 12. Therefore, P of 0 is true. So, step number 2. So, assume that n is just equal to k is true. Napanay is true dira ha. K ato lang i-assume. That is 7 to the 2k, kana di ba? 7 to the 2k minus 3 times 5 to the k plus 2 is just equal to 12a for some integer a. Nay pangutana ani? Nanong 12a? May pangutana? Wala. Okay, let's proceed. So, we want to show that n equals k plus 1 is true. Now, so 7 to the, kana, ang k na pag-isa nanog k plus 1, 7 raised to 2 times k plus 1 minus 3 times 5 to the k plus 1 plus 2. Naipangutana ani, wala. Kani, left side of the equation. Naipangutana, wala. Okay, so ato siyang i-proceed. What is 2 times k, class? 2 times k. That is, what is 2 times k? That is 2k. Sean, ako ka-reply, nagklase pa po. This is 2k plus 2 times 1, class. What is 2 times 1? That is 2. Okay, ba ito gibutang din nga 7 raised to 2k plus 2. Mo na siyang 2k plus 2. Minus 3 times 5 raised to k plus 1 plus 2. Okay. Same kaganiha atong gi-separate siya. So, 7 to the 2, this is 7 to the 2 times 7 to the 2k. May pangutana ni, wala. May pangutana ni? Wala. Hello? None. Okay. Minus 3. Tanawang 3 o, nay 3 dira ha, nay 3 times, i-separate na po din nato siya. 5 to the 1 times 5 to the k. May pangutana ni, wala. 5 to the 1 times 5 to the k. Wala. Plus 2. Okay. What is 7 to the 2, class? What is 7 to the 2? 49. Oh, this is 49. 49 times 7 to the 2k minus, what is 3 times 5? What is 3 times 5? Okay, 15. This is 15. Exactly 15. This is 15 times 5 to the k plus 2. Okay. Wait sa kanya, nanawag ka sa kadit ng. Hello? Oo, hello. Hanap yung palitonon di ay? Oo, hapit ako maman og klase dahil. Muposide din ko din na Last example na ni. Asa nalayagan? Asa TESDA? Pila daw, dako ay? Okay. Okay, sige. Muposide din ko, hapit na mo. Sige, salamat. Okay, so proceed. So this is 49 times 7 to the 2k minus 15 times 5 to the k plus 2. Muna pangutana ni wala. Wala no. Kanina pangutana, wala. Okay. Para sa ganiha class, ang 49 ato siyang i-separate into two terms. 48 plus 1. Nganong gigamit man nag 48 class? Nganong gigamit man ako 48 man? Because 48 is unsa man? 48 is saman. Hello, divisible by 12. Kana, very good. Because 48 is divisible by 12. So this is 48 plus 1. Mga maayo na giday mo. Okay, times 7 to the 2k. Okay, minus kana. Why is it that I use 12 plus 3 for 15? Why is it that I use 12 plus 3? 12? Because this is 12 is actually this is divisible by 12 again. Okay, 12 plus 3 times 5 to the k plus 2. Okay. Sige. Proceed ta. Unya, itong i-distribute ni class, ipang-distribute na to. So it will become 48 times 7 to the 2k. This is 48 times 7 to the 2k. Naipangutana ni, distribute naman mga 48 times 7 to the 2k, wala. This, how about this one? 1 times 7 to the 2k plus 7 to the 2k na siya. Kani. May pangutana? Wala po, no? Okay, how about this one? Minus ta diri Kani ato na po ning i-distribute class. 12 times 5 to the k. This is basically 12 times 5 to the k. Very good. How about this one? Plus 3 times 5 to the k. That is 3 times 5 to the k. Nay pangutana ani wala. Kani nay pangutana? Okay, wala. Plus 2. Ayaw ka lang din si plus 2 ka na patay plus 2 din na Okay. Unya, ato dayon i-simplify. Atong i-simplify ni class. 48 times 7 to the 2k plus 7 to the 2k minus kana i-distribute ng mga sign dira it will become negative minus 12 times 5 to the k. Kaning positive din okay, kana ang impact ang product of negative times positive is negative man. So it will become minus 3 times 5 to the k plus 2. Nakuha wala. Nakuha ni wala. Kuha. Okay. Since nakuha naman siya, ato kunin ning kwaon na kana kung gipang-underline si 7 to the 2k kani si 7 to the 2k apila na to siya minus 3 times 5k plus 2 kani. Na si 7 to the 2k minus 3 times 5 to the k plus 2 kinsa man si 12a. Okay, very good na si 12a. Si 12A. Pero kinsa may nagpabilin din sa ilang kanang wala na ko gipang underlinean. Ang nagpabilin kay si 48 kani si 48 times 7 to the 2k minus kani 12 times 5 to the k. Unya ningon man mo kagani kani siya kani nga group is 12A. Na 12A man na 12A. Unya ato dang i-ditso plus 48 times 7 to the 2k minus 12 times 5k. Pila ka terms? Class? Pila ni ka terms? Tulo. Okay. Na common factor wala. Na common factor wala. Na kinsa? Unsa yung common factor? 12. Okay. Atong ko anon si 12. Unya, which is, ang napabili na lang si A na lang, plus 48 divided by 12. Pila si 48 divided by 12? 48 divided by 12? 4. Okay na. Nara siya. Si 4 times 7 to the 2k minus, kani si 12 atong gikuha, nagpabili na lang si 5 to the k. Divisible ni siya by 12, dili. Divisible by 12, dili. This is divisible. Is divisible by 12. Therefore, star is true for all non-negative integer n. Okay, very good. A round of applause, everyone. Gikapoy jud ko. Nasabtan ninyo wala. That ends our presentation. Okay, actually, napay isa. Okay, pero this one, kindly answer this one. This serves as your assignment. This one, the last portion of the slide, the n cubed plus 3n squared plus 2n is divisible by 3. Kindly answer. I will give the new PPT. I will send it to our GC. Not sa atong Google Classroom ha, but this time I will send our new PowerPoint presentation to our GC class, not to our Google Classroom, because in our Google Classroom I will be uploading your learning activity sheet. Oh no, the worksheet itself or the problem set. May pangutana wala. Okay, so that ends our presentation. Good afternoon once again and goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you very much,
Okay,
Mr.
goodbye.
Juan.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.